This is a guided tour about how to create a supplier product in Murchie. First, log into your Murchie store. Next, click the top right plus button. Then from the pop-out panel, select Product. Now from the top of the panel, select the target domain you'd like your product to feature in. From the product type drop-down, you'll find a few different types to choose from. These cater to specifics of how your product is prepared. If you're unsure which category is appropriate, check the description area below for more details. For this particular clip, we'll focus on adding a supplier product. Now you can build your product's profile. Add product images. Add the retail price for your product and applicable tax code. You can specify the minimum order quantity, which is the minimum number a customer can order. Then specify how many days the product requires to produce and be ready for shipping. Last of all, provide any details about your product in the description area. Click Create and then click Edit Product. And that's it. Mission accomplished. In the next clip, we'll look at the product settings and how they function across different product types.